Do you know what is supply chain funding? And what are its benefits? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. You can also help us bring you the best and most reliable and updated information related to banking and finance by supporting us on patreon.com by just £1 a month. Link in the description. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. 1. How does supply chain financing work? Flexibly chain financing is an overall term used to portray various monetary apparatuses that can be utilized to improve installments among organizations and their providers. Flexibly chain money arrangements can be actualized in different manners. For instance, a provider that is envisioning huge requests and needs to assemble stock can utilize provider financing. This arrangement permits them to buy the crude materials or completed merchandise needed to meet their buy requests and development targets. Then again, a huge organization that adjusts its installment terms from 30 days to 70 days can chance influencing its gracefully chain. Providers would need to manage the income effect of more slow installments. The huge organization could execute an opposite calculating arrangement to assist it with providing chain. This arrangement furnishes providers with a reasonable method to fund their more slow-paying solicitations. Note that converse figuring is a kind of post-conveyance financing. Provider financing, then again, is a type of pre-conveyance financing. We should audit the two choices in more detail. Choice 1. Supplier financing. Provider financing is a type of flexibly chain financing that permits makers and wholesalers to purchase crude materials or completed merchandise so as to fabricate stock or satisfy enormous requests. It works by collaborating with a gracefully chained fund organization that broadens your exchange of knowledge, and it goes about as a middle person between your organization and your providers. At whatever point you have to purchase crude materials or completed products, you put in a buy request to the gracefully fund organization instead of with your providers. The fund organization, thus, submits a request with your provider. They likewise handle the important installments. When your provider gets the buy request, they create and convey the merchandise to you. The account organization pays your provider and issues a receipt to you. The receipt from the gracefully chain account organization is payable on net credit terms, generally 30 to 60 days. You can get more subtleties here. 2. Focal points of provider financing. Provider financing has a few focal points over different arrangements. The most significant one is that it is a pre-conveyance financing device. It tends to be utilized to assemble stock and develop your organization. Also, it doesn't meddle with your current financing. The flexibly chain fund organization doesn't have to document a lien on your benefits. Finally, in contrast to different arrangements, your customers don't have to do anything for your sake. It's accessible to any little and fair-size assembling organization or item provider that meets the capability necessities. Organizations with incomes as low as $2 million a year can qualify. 3. Constraints of provider financing. The arrangement has a few constraints and isn't for everybody. It works just for organizations that can be credit guaranteed. In the event that your organization can't be credit protected, you won't qualify. Additionally, this arrangement encourages you just with the expense of crude materials and completed products. It doesn't give help to cover different costs. Choice 2. Reverse considering. The most widely recognized organization of a gracefully chained financing arrangement includes utilizing an item called switch calculating. In a regular considering plan, an organization looks to improve its budgetary situation by selling its records receivable to a figuring organization. This game plan is very straightforward and is accessible to numerous organizations. Ordinary opposite figuring arrangements permit providers of the huge organization, Company A, to get an early installment on their net 30 to net 60 solicitations. The provider pays a little charge for this administration. The opposite considering organization at that point gathers the receipt from the enormous organization, Company A, when it develops. Favorable circumstances of converse considering. From a provider point of view, invert considering has a few favorable circumstances. It permits the provider to get early installments for solicitations due from their client. Clearly, early installments can improve their income. Moreover, the charge the provider pays to get the early installment is seriously estimated in light of the fact that the expense is to a great extent controlled by the business financial soundness of the huge customer. This point is significant, as the huge customer is probably going to have great credit, accordingly permitting its providers to pay a lower charge for the early installments. Restrictions of opposite calculating. Switch considering has various huge restrictions. To start with, it is driven by the client, Company N. In the clarification, the client must get the opposite figuring program and should offer it to its providers, as an advantage to them, providers, for working with the customer. This program helps just those providers with installments from that client, Company A. It doesn't assist providers with installments from different clients, except if they have their own converse calculating project. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.